No, no.
You want some more tofu? Here you go. Wait. Mommy's gonna cut it for you. I know. Oh, careful. Careful! Oh, what a horrible life you have. Okay, there. Okay, here. Faker. Oh my gosh. Faker. You're silly. You like tofu? Can I have some? Can I have some? Can you give some to Mom? Thank you. Thank you.
Dada.